Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, and today I want to show you what I have in this package I just got. You probably saw it in the title of the video. Well, it's a tiny RC car that I'm very excited about. I don't think I've been this excited about RC car for a long time. And there it is. Turbo Racing 1/76 scale RC car. Comes ready to run. And what's even cooler, it's not just one. Actually get two of them in this package. So it's 1/76 scale, 2.4 gigahertz. And most importantly, it has proportional control for steering and throttle. So it's 40-minute running time. I'll have to see that. Okay, without further ado, let's open it up. Still sealed. Let's see what's in here. Okay, now I got this off of Banggood, but you can find them on eBay and probably Amazon and several other places. So this is the instruction manual. I'm not gonna go through this. You can probably find it online if you need to. Let's see the important part. So you don't get one, actually get two of these. And I got mint green and purple. Look really cool, detailed for such a small scale. Just as a size comparison, this is a quarter, and so the size of these things compared to a quarter. Yeah, so I actually mostly officially got these for my son as a Christmas present, but pretty sure I'm gonna enjoy racing with him. And you also get one extra body shell that you can paint. That's really cool. It's plastic, not Lexan, I think. You have to paint it on the outside. Okay, and you also get a controller. I thought this would be smaller. Zoom out a bit. Okay. So you can take apart the grip from the top part that has the steering wheel. And guessing batteries go in here. Yeah, takes AAA's, I think. Then you just slide it in here. And that's your controller. Soft foam wheel. It has 3 channels. There's a third channel switch there. And it has throttle and steering dual rates and the trims, of course. Yeah, that's about it. Now, you get 2 ready-to-run cars, but only 1 transmitter. Of course, you can get a package with just 1 car and 1 transmitter. But I wanted to have 2 so we can race them. It was a good deal on Banggood. About $50 for this whole package. And I ordered another of these remotes from eBay, but it's an upgraded version. It's a computer radio, looks just like this, but it has a screen here, a model memory, so you can use it on multiple cars as long as you have receivers for it. That will probably take a while until it will get here because it's coming from China. Okay, let's see if we can open one of these up, see what's inside. Wow, that's a really tiny battery. 75 milliamp, 1S, 3.7 volts. And just look at this, they have lights in the front, lights in the back. Wheels are so tiny, but they have, looks like rubber tires. And there's a USB-C charge port. Okay, so let me get one of these charged up and see how they work. I think it's mostly the headlights that hold these bodies on. Yep. Okay. And I also get a charging cable. There's the cable, no adapter, and this seems to be a bind plug from what I managed to see in the manual. Yeah, nothing else in the box. Let me charge one up and see how it works. Okay, plugged one in. This is what it looks like when it's charging. Headlights turn red. Nothing going on in the back yet. Let's wait until it's done. So these are in the colors they have available for the Mini. Also seen they have other car types, RX-7 and the R34 Skyline, right? Now I didn't have the patience to let both of these charge. It seems what you need to do, just turn the controller on. Then it has a really tiny power button. It should auto bind. Yeah. Lights are steady. Here's the rear lights. Oh, yeah. I don't know if it's noticeable on camera, but you can see the throttle is proportional and the steering. That's really important. Have good control and good experience with RC cars. Now let's see how set up this mini coin course. Got stuck there. In my opinion, racing is the most fun thing you could do with an RC car. And of course you need at least two for a race. The problem with bigger cars, you need a lot of space to run them. So I thought these would be just perfect. You can set up a course on the floor, on a table, especially now in the winter. Okay, this is about as low as I can get it to go. With a bit of practice, this can be really fun. And luckily they had these in stock in Europe, so I got them in about a week. order them. So you can check if your local warehouse has them. You might still be able to get some of these in time for Christmas. Man, these are really fun. Now let's try the other one. Let's see if it's just as simple as powering it on. If you, yep, looks like it's connected. Yep, this one works as well. Seems you only need to use the bind. It's actually a body pin, and has two small pieces of metal there. When you short them out, basically goes into bind mode. And you only need to do that if you have multiple controllers. Otherwise they bind up automatically. And there's no difference in the way they work. Let me set these up again. And so they have all sorts of accessories for this. They have racetrack mats, different obstacles you can use to make yourself a racetrack. I was thinking about getting those, but since my son's only 4, he loses interest real quick, so okay, I didn't charge this up. And it looks like the batteries, yep, it's almost empty. Okay, switch back to this one that I charged for a few minutes. Okay, it's bound up. I'm really looking forward to this, especially when we get the second controller. Let me know what you think. Really happy with these. Another thing I discovered, if you power both on at the same time, don't bind them to a different transmitter, control both at the same time. Well, of course, this one's out of battery. So I still can't believe how tiny these are. And the detail is awesome on them. Really looks like a real mini. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions and what you think about these. Let me know if you'd like to see a video with the computerized transmitter once I get it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.